How to start Forex trading for beginners. What exactly goes behind the movements caused in the currency exchange rates remains a mystery for even the economists and currency exchange experts. With experience in faltering industrial economic conditions, one can obviously come to an easy conclusion that the large currency market has a lot more going inside it, which not only dwarfs the other trading markets but also fetches at the most fluctuating states. As per the currency news, the enormously big-sized currency market gets its most moving results with even a little twist or turn in the currency exchange rates. With a lot on stake, the currency exchange rates in fact denote the actual state of a country's economic turbulence. As per the daily exchange rates, what causes the currency exchange rate meter hop up and down is the number of investors across the world who not only bets on the exchange rates but also directs the tide of their flow. The latest currency exchange rates are also affected by the country's long-term economic performance. As the currency exchange news India indicated that a myriad of factors affect the currency exchange rates, and it is simply impossible to make out how and when an exchange rate will move, as the varied factors work on diverse timescales and have different levels of effect. The experts possess a clear understanding as to what their currency requirements are and over what time period and what their targeted exchange rates would be. After all, understanding the market statistics can only be made a breeze if one can bring some clarity and certainty to the complex market with so many variables. Also, most of the times the currency exchange rates go for a whopping increase or slip down owing to the never-ending flow of economic data which is released on an everyday basis by the developed economies of the world. This data is compiled by a number of economists whose entire life rests on the flow of economies, their turbulence highs and lows. However, to conclude, it is only the confidence in a country's economy that keeps its currency rates going high come what may.